What's up guys, today I want to talk about one of my favorite companies, Amazon, and what their future will look like because it's looking pretty cool from what I've been researching and looking at. So let's go ahead and get started. So the future of Amazon definitely relies on Amazon Go. I think this is really important and will be pretty profitable for Amazon. So pretty much what this is a actual physical store that you go into, you scan your phone, you go into the store, you pick up the items that you want. It uses Amazon's walkout technology and it adds it to the cart, and when you walk out of the store it goes ahead and charges your Amazon account, whether that's hooked up to your credit card, debit card, or whatever. So I think this is really important because one, it gets the cashiers out of the store, which will save money. Unfortunately, that means a lot of jobs will be cut, but you know, just like any corporation, it's all about profit. But I do definitely think this is the future. As you can see, it's very fast and intuitive. You know, you don't have to stand in the line and scan your items and stuff like that. It's just really simple. So the next thing is Amazon's virtual kiosk. So pretty much what this is it's a VR setup for you to be able to look at products before you buy them, and it's not just like clothing products and stuff like that. It shows you furniture, laptops, all sorts of products that you can look at to sort of see what it would look like in real life before you buy them. So I see this more useful for clothing and stuff like that, and also just furniture in general. It would be really nice to see furniture in your house, sort of like a model, before you can actually buy it. So I think Amazon knows this, and they're going to constantly push these kiosks everywhere, and it'll definitely increase the revenue with the store. Now, as VR products become more popular, people won't actually need to go to the mall. They can just do it straight from their home, which would be even better. So the next thing is Amazon's drone delivery. So they actually had their first delivery not too long ago, which is pretty cool. So this benefits Amazon pretty much by cutting out the middleman, which is UPS and USPS. I guess it's cheaper for them to actually deliver themselves. That's the idea behind this concept, and it does look pretty cool. The only concerns a lot of people have with this is that weather concerns. How are these drones going to be in severe like thunderstorms and stuff like that? Will they be able to stand rain? And also, will people shoot them down and stuff like that? So it'll be interesting to see the future of these drones. I don't think they're going anywhere. It's just interesting how the public's going to react to them. So the next thing for Amazon is healthcare. So they're actually acquiring PillPack for about $1 billion, which is pretty interesting. They're an online pharmacy that delivers by mail. So that gives Amazon pretty much instant access to the pharmacy industry. Jeff Bezos has been stated that he wants to simplify the healthcare buying process and also wants to make it cheaper for the consumers, since we all know that the rising healthcare costs in medicine costs a lot. So hopefully Amazon will actually bring the prices down and simplify it a bit more. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.